Box of 2007, 2008
Did they
Sweet
have
Shot.
Durant in those?
Oh yeah, here, Dad, put the Durant in there also.
No, I mean, did they have a Durant
Oh no,
card like that?
Odin's the only one they made. Is that Randolph? Zach Randolph numbered card. Rasheed Wallace. Who is that? Is that
Jersey.
Oh, that's a Seattle guy. So that's a,
Sweet Stitch.
oh, Jeff Green.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a good one, but it's fortunately it ain't what's his name, Durant. But still, that's numbered at 299. Who's the other guy?
Patrick. Somebody.
Patrick Bryant. He's numbered out of 197. He's supposed to be good. And then an Elton Brand jersey. Yeah, that Jeff Green's a good one.
Is it?
And then Rasheed Wallace. He's actually playing pretty good too. And then he's on TV all the time because he's playing with Durant.
Right.
It's a good start on those. There we go. See what's in box 2. Base card, Richard Hamilton. Oh, got a Bobcat on the back.
If it's an owner card.
A who?
An owner card.
Yeah, that would be a nice little Jordan. Hey. Richard Jefferson. Jersey, that's that Marco Bassini guy again. You got another one of the short print ones. Numbered to 299. And you got a second
Hallelujah.
rookie one. Numbered to 699. Adam Huluska.
Supposed to start getting cold tonight, boys.
Who's that one? Who's the patch? Ooh, a third autograph. Patrick O'Brien again, numbered to 98 this time.
Double jersey.
Richardson and Felt.
And then a double jersey of Richardson and Felton.
You can't get all